Today we are looking at an Almaco air cleaner. Pause the video here for pertinent data on the serial tag. This unit comes with two different screens here. This unit is approximately 1/4 inch, and this unit looks to be just slightly smaller than 1/4 inch. How you use this unit: you put your product in the shaker sieve, shake it manually over the air cleaner, then it falls into the air cleaner. Your heavy particles are discharged here, and then your lighter particles are discharged here. And we have an air damper here. This unit is 110 volt. Unit fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.